We start with one hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this one, we mentioned if you get any trace set of full buy, we will take it because we mentioned we have a divergence based on 1 hour and 4 hour chart. Anyway, as we were what we expected, the price move, and we have this is what we get, and we have been looking for the levels as a five. The first one as a 5.3, 5.7, following by 6. As we can see, after the breakout of 5.3, even the price tag 5.7. Now, we want to see what's the next, whether we can look for continuation or not. Anyway, we move to daily chart. You want to see what's the next. And again, based on daily chart, we have been looking for the reversal. And the only thing is we need to know whether this is the start of the up move or not. Because as we can see, based on daily chart, we didn't have the reversal point. When I call it about the reversal point, I mean the divergence, because most of the chart, they have a similar movement. And the only thing is we need to see the breakout of the 6, because if for sure, if there is a breakout of the 6, we can look for continuation. If not, we need to be quite careful, because how about if this one turned to flat? And relative to this and the bigger picture, we get into long running flat for one more drop, because technically we cannot put this one relative to this. That's why we need to be quite careful about this possibility. All right, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue or from here. The only thing is we need to see the confirmation with the breakout of the previous top, and that's why we need to see with the price break whether the price can break 5.7 following by 6 or not. Anyway, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup for the next trade. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is if we want to look for next trade, we need to at least get the flag similar to what we get here. Simply, we cannot look for buy, because we need to see the price break the previous top. As we can see, the price almost tag and reject. That's why we need to see the confirmation for breakout of 5.8, following by the previous top, which is 5.86. And mostly we're looking to this is mostly we're looking to see the breakout of the 6. This is what we need to care about. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this. If they haven't taken the trade in the profit, and if they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit, may move their stop loss to somewhere around 5.3. Anyway, we're looking for continuation, but the best thing is if we get the bigger correction, at least similar to what we get here. And in this case, we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share. Anyway, as long as the price haven't break this zone, any trade, we need to be quite careful. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.